to the channel. The channel. The channel. The channel. Yeah. All right, y'all, today we about to do some brakes. And what we're doing, brakes and wheel bearings. I already did a video, like, I think last week or the week before last on the, showing y'all how to check wheel bearings. So today, we about to put the wheel bearings in, show y'all how to pack them, put the brakes on because we got the parts, they in, so y'all stay tuned. Get ready. Yay, yay. Oh, yeah, let me show y'all this. We already got it jacked up over here ready. Y'all see this? This is that V10. Oh, hold on. But yeah, y'all see the little setup. About to pack these, get these bearings out of here. And my boo about to do his third bezel. I might be watching today, y'all.
In the chair. Show them the chair. Show them the chair so they don't think, hey, I do what I do. I work on cars, the inlay pipe.
Baby, come on now. Come on. All right, y'all. Stay tuned.
Let me get it on now first, man.
We about to push this caliper in, guys. So we take this brake caliper off. Yeah, I see it. Pushing it, coming up off that brake. Turn it, baby. I'm gonna push it in a little bit, y'all, so it can be a little free to come off.
A little bit, a lot bit.
Well, a lot of bit. Yeah, y'all see how much did the caliper? Push the pistons in so we can really have free play to pull the caliper up. Show me that again, though. See that plate? Okay.
Okay. Pop these calipers off real quick. First, the calipers, they are 17. I get my handy dandy.
We trying to
mechanic pistol. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure it sit on reverse. Hit right here. You see that? Easy. Get your other one. And if you got something, you can hang your caliper up somewhere. Hang it up. I'm gonna see, can I sit it right here though? I'll push it back pretty good. Right there. Yep. Move it out your way. Get your brakes. We put new brakes on too, y'all. We going all the way with it. Take his things out. Sit them on your board. We ain't got no shot, so we sit it in the dirt. But get your brakes. Yeah, they low. They low.
Cracked up.
We're gonna throw them away though. We're gonna throw them away.
Also, we can put some grease on it.
See that?
Y'all right here on these tips. Let me say something. On these tips, y'all can put some little grease right there that'll keep that brake noise down.
Keep your tips greasy.
Grease your tips.
Now we're gonna take that 21 and we're gonna pop
the bracket off. Caliper bracket off. Yeah.
Same thing what I told y'all. You see what I'm saying? I mean, if a person gets slapped with that hand, it's a wrap. You feel what I'm saying? Just like that. Nah, I'm too much of him. You feel me?
Yeah, he wanna be so bad, whoever him is.
See that? Him is me, and me is him. You feel me? Okay. Hit that all just like that, y'all. We ain't gonna let it take us all day now. 3 seconds at the top.
Whole bracket will come on.
See that bracket? Now I'm gonna turn my wheel back straight so we can pop this cap off. Now what you wanna do is, you see this nipple? You wanna pop that nipple off, get your screwdriver, and just try not to mess up your cap because you really gonna need it. Let me just hit it. See that? You really gonna need the cap, so. Ooh.
Probably got dirt on it.
Fred Greedo.
Oh, man, he got dirt on it. Some leaves, it's fall time.
Looks like somebody been in there. And these right here supposed to be really like hand tight. You know what I'm saying? They don't really supposed to be that
these
tight.
Screws right here. Oh, so, let me get something. You want to lay something right there? Paper towel.
You gave me one.
Yeah, put it right there, baby, so you can lay your stuff on it. You want me to get some more?
No.
Okay.
Paper towel's expensive, just like food. Okay.
It got a lock on it.
You see that key right there, y'all?
Yeah, lock right there.
Pull that key up. Pull that key down. Pull that out of the ground. See that right there in that cap? Take this little piece off. Bam. Sit that right there on that cap. Let's see if it's hand tight. See that? Y'all see that? Told you.
Hand tight.
Hand tight, man. Just twist it. Twist it.
Ooh.
Take that out. I'm gonna sit that in that cap. And I got a washer. should be. I really can pop it out, y'all, but I'm just taking my
Put your
time.
fingers, cause it gonna dip down some. That washer stuff on there. Is the washer on there? Well, just pull off. It'll come on.
Do that, y'all.
You
It
see
ain't
that?
bad.
You see that how bad it is, guys? They got that plate now.
Move that washer.
They move the washer. They didn't move it.
See that?
They might can't see it, but
I don't know if y'all can.
yeah, hit it. Yeah, they can sit and do it. Do it now. They can see. Remember, that's the play that we was filming when we tested it.
So we pulled that out. Oh, shoot. Yeah, we got one back here. But I got a seal. I got a seal around here. And we gotta get that seal on.
I don't even know if I had it on there.
So we got a seal right here. Right here that I gotta pop out. The seal, y'all see that seal right there? That's a seal.
And it's the bearing right there too. You see that other bearing? You got the new seal?
Hmm?
You got a new
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
So usually what I do with this, y'all, I usually flip this rotor over. Let me show it to you. Flip it over. And then I get me some and I tap down on that bearing.
All right, y'all, he got an extension on here with a socket hit it through. That's a CV axis socket. Like a, what
That's
is it?
all it takes.
That's like a, what size is that CV axis socket? Like
Your size, baby.
a 32?
Yeah, so we flip it back over. What do you have? The old bearing. Y'all see that? Stop playing.
Them bearing, that part back there. Go ahead.
See, that's the seal that's on it.
Yeah, the
We took
seal's
all of that
still
together. Little parts, y'all.
on. Where you order the parts on?
eBay.
You got these parts off eBay.
That's my general store. I ain't put no dirt on it, y'all. Oh yeah, they tight. Okay. Okay. I gotta dope it up, y'all. Trust me, I do. But that's how it go.
Yeah. Okay. This is a new race. But you don't always have to.
The race don't usually go bad, y'all. It's usually be the bearings itself. You feel what I'm saying? You got some that'll be grinded all the way down, you know what I'm saying, to the race where it scarred the race. So now I'm about to grease these up, put my new seal in it, and then we're gonna go with it. And then you just wanna squish it in there. Squish it in there. Squish it in there, y'all. You wanna make sure you get them inside until you start seeing it coming out the back end. You feel what I'm saying? Don't worry about my hand. They ain't your hand, they my hand. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? So we gonna make sure we squeeze. My wife don't like this crap, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh yeah, I ain't want to get my hands dirty.
That's why she ain't really
I ain't got my
doing what
gloves.
she doing.
I ain't got my gloves today. Look at Coco over here. She trying to get up. I don't know what she's doing.
But I'm also pack it, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I just wanted to see the grease start thumping through the check. This is a messy freaking job, y'all. Like, don't get me wrong. I don't like
So
doing it either.
basically, you just put the grease in the palm of your hand and just keep putting it in there, rubbing it until it start coming out the other side of the bearing. That's all you do.
What she said.
And once it start coming out, you know that it's full and she'll be able to roll like she's supposed to roll. Yeah, y'all can use the old seal to tap the new seal in. Or what, a socket or something? Well, if they can find a socket that big. Look at that kid. Get the camera before he hit the camera. We're gonna get someone out. Yeah, right there. Hit it right there. It's going right. Well, I should have had an extension.
All right, y'all. In a second, let me.
just be careful, you know. It's down though. Yeah, you flatten it out now. You better get your socket on that.
I got a grinder.
Let me see if it doesn't do too much damage. Oh, y'all got the new seal in. Just be careful when you tapping it in. You don't want to break the rubber on it.
You want to have your rubbery. All right, y'all. We're going to get started on this front seal, then we're going to come back to you.
He doing the front bearing now, guys. It's good, right?
I can't pick it up.
Wrap the roller.
Put your rotor on. Put your rotor on. I ain't worried about that. I'm thinking you're talking about something serious. Get your other bearing. Slide that bearing. Slide the bearing right on up. I like to spin mine, y'all. Y'all gotta get the bearing right on up in there. In there like that, man. And then we got a washer. Take your washer, get your washer lined up. Now this washer is kind of funky. You see you see it ain't a full circle, if y'all can see that. So you gotta make sure, cause it won't go on this way. You see that? You gotta get it lined up, put it on like that. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Take your screw. You remember the screw is hand tight. Hands tight.
Yeah, because you tighten it up too tight, the rotor, it gonna be rolling.
Hand tighten your screw. All right, y'all. I like to spin it. You see the grease? Oh, my bad. Y'all see the grease squeeze? Yeah. Then I put a little bit more time on it. Then I get my lock. Basically just reversing the step, y'all. Then I get my lock back on now. Line up my hole. Take my pin. Slide my pin down there. Oh, yeah. And bend that up like that. Bend that pin down like that. And that's how you change a bearing. That sucker sound good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you.
No play.
No play.
I see, ain't got no play. In that sucker.
No play in it, y'all.
Don't forget you gotta wipe your roller down.
I'm gonna wipe my roller down. And then when I get done licking it down, then we're gonna do what we do.
When you get through licking it.
Get your cap. I keep that grease in the cap. I'm just stir it up, put it back up through there. I ain't gonna wipe it out. Get that cap. Get you a slugger. Right there.
And this is a messy too with all this grease.
Oh yeah, and I'm a messy kind of guy. Yeah, and that's how you put the wheel bearing in. Now we're gonna do the brake.
Yeah, y'all, and I'm just gonna show y'all one side on this video, y'all. It's gonna be the same way on the other side, so just reverse.
We'll wind the video for the other side.
Yep, and it's reverse of.
If y'all got any problems, call Daddy. I'm here.
So, yeah, but we're gonna show y'all to put this brake back on though.
Who? No. Maybe that black grease I can put on here.
All right, y'all. These the brakes right here. Got these off eBay also.
Where you get them at?
These ceramic brake pads.
Ceramic? I never heard ceramic.
Ceramic pads won't give you all that black brake dust. Have your tires looking black.
School them.
Get you some ceramic ones.
School them.
Size, what size is that? Tighten back up.
21.
21.
21.
Tighten it.
Get y'all muscles up, man. Put that. This is L250 V10. Get your muscles up.
Great way to rest it.
Got these on eBay too, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, thing looking sexy red.
I'm gonna paint the truck red, y'all, with black stripe. Yeah. But I'm gonna take a little grease.
Let me show them where to put it at.
Here. Here, yeah. Yeah.
Well, there's some on the back too. I ain't over there.
Here.
But same spot on the back side.
It's a 4-way spread, y'all.
Yeah.
If I want we
See how they gonna sit down in there.
come on now.
Sweet.
You know what I'm saying? Like that, y'all. What you do is
Set the brake down in there.
Put your brake pad in there.
The old brake pad, guys.
And you just twist them.
Just gonna push that piston all the way in flush so you can get the new brakes on.
You just twist them.
The other one all the way back.
Like that, y'all. Hopefully now.
That's the button.
Hopefully now we can put the stuff back on, the pins, the locks, and make sure y'all keep y'all a can of brake part cleaner.
Yeah, because that's what y'all
worth
want to do to clean off that rotor if you got any grease on it.
It's worth it, y'all.
Brake parts cleaner. Knock it right off.
I just don't like these with the Ford. They be having these lock pins, these things on there. Be blowing me, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Blow the whistle. Okay, let's see it going now. See.
Just like that, y'all.
Yeah, nah.
Get your screw.
And those pins turn. Also, baby, you had forgot to tell them because you know these pins come out and sometimes you put grease in there to help the caliper slide back and forth so it won't burn your brakes.
Well, it ain't my channel. I'm just a mechanic. Y'all, these pins do come out and they didn't feel like they need to be greased, so I didn't pop them out. But you can take them out if they be stiff. And sometimes when you try to mash it back in, when the brakes is still on your car and they don't go in, it be these pins, they be dry.
Yeah, it's like if your brakes are wearing unevenly, check those pins.
And
also that pins sit weight.
And right here, you see these pins? They got this little groove in this caliper right here that this sit down on. That's keep this from turning. And I'm always put my hands on it because I don't
trust.
trust.
Check your one, baby. Make sure it's on the right side.
I already checked that first. You see it right here? It's lying right up in the groove of it.
Let me put my light on it, you know.
You don't see that right there?
Oh, yeah, okay.
It's lying right up in the groove.
Okay.
So, put my hands on it. See that? I don't trust them guns. You see what I'm saying? I ain't gonna, now snap on gun, you might.
Hi, baby.
Can get it. I am, but.
All right, y'all. Listen, that's the end of this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all hype me up. Y'all tell a friend, tell your grandma, tell your granddaddy. Tell everybody. Hype me up. We out.